CBC's Chris Glover is standing by live in Washington. He is all over this mission. So help me to understand why NASA wants to actually crash a spaceship into a space rock, Chris.
I'm all over this mission, and I'm excited to be here, Suhanna. NASA is dubbing this as the first test mission to defend planet Earth. And on board that rocket that blasted off overnight was what's known as a double asteroid redirection test, or DART for short. NASA's promotional video for this feels more like a Hollywood movie trailer, and Suhanna, I think you are going to love it. Take a look.
In a galaxy where asteroids have pummeled planets for billions of years, now one planet strikes back. For the first time in our planet's history, NASA will test an asteroid deflection technique. It's the first planetary defense method of its kind.
All right, so you see there, NASA is certainly bringing the drama, but let's dig into the details of this plot a little bit more. The target is the moon Dimorphos that orbits an asteroid known as Didymos. It actually poses no threat to planet Earth, but NASA is interested in it because asteroids of its size could be a threat to us in the future. So the plan is to have the DART spacecraft ram into Dimorphos and cause a method of deflection that's known as kinetic impact, basically a nudge to throw it off course. Suhanna.
It sounds like a movie. You know, now one planet strikes back. I'm waiting for Ryan Reynolds and Will Smith and Tom Cruise to come out with an ad. But when exactly is DART expected to make, impact with this asteroid system?
I don't know, Suhanna. Let's dream bigger. How about you and I are in this movie? I think
go.
That would be a lot of fun. But it's going to take quite a while. This really has a to-be-continued feeling to it because DART is going to be traveling just outside Earth's orbit until, get this, the end of September next year. And that's when Didymos and Dimorphos are going to be within striking distance, roughly 11 million kilometers from Earth. And that's when this collision is expected to take place. You heard it in that video from NASA. This is the first time this technique is being used, but planetary astronomer Andrew Rivkin says there are other options for Earthlings to protect the planet from asteroids, including a nuclear device.
To detonate nearby a threatening asteroid, vaporize part of it and deflect it that way. But we obviously want to have as many different tools in our toolbox as we can because we're going to be faced with different scenarios. And so we want to make sure we have the right tool for the right job.
And so this test mission, researchers are going to be watching it all from telescopes from right down here on Earth so they can get a sense of how prepared they are in case an asteroid in the future really does pose a threat to us.
Well, beam me up, Chris. Thanks for that. We will talk again. CBC's Chris Glover in Washington.